Hey guys, Walmart, $5. Can you believe it? Stay tuned. A few weeks ago, I saw this. I said, I'll try it out. I already unboxed it. It's kind of a weird unboxing because the directions aren't very good. Um, but but basically, it's a whole setup like this, and you get a mic, a light that I'm using right now, and the holder for your camera or iPhone. So I have iPhone. It comes with a little uh, uh, tripod here, like that. And you can adjust this how you want it. But the real good thing is this. There's a little remote control that's hidden in the leg. If you don't know that's there, you're gonna check it up. And on the back here is a mount for a GoPro. Oops. And this is the mount that it came with. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so it's kind of big for this. But it will work on a smaller phone most likely. But I got a different mount for my tripod here that it works a lot better. But so it comes. So this is what it comes with. It's called a Go Viral Ninja Power, and I've seen it for like $50, $60, all the way up, and it also comes with these little diffuser lights, which I'm going to try in just a minute here. But and I'm also using this mic I got, but I don't know, I'll try using another mic that comes with, see how it works. Okay, just stand by. Alright, I'm back. So this is what it comes with, the little mic here, and this is the wind thing that comes off and on. And you're going to need this little dongle thing that connects to your iPhone port, otherwise it has a little connector. You can also put it on the camera too. I haven't done that yet though, but that's it. I filmed this already once, but on the handle thing where this microphone is, it has a camera or a iPhone. I had it set to camera so it couldn't hear anything. So this is it comes with white, blue, and red filters. This is the white filter. And seeing how the mic sounds, the boom mic, I don't know what you call it, but alright, stand by. This is the blue filter. I'll look through this and see what it looks like, but I might go with the red one. We'll see. Stand by. All right, I forgot to plug in the microphone. I think it's a good microphone. Um, we'll see. But yeah, and this little light thing that I have going on right here, it comes with a little charger. It just plugs into a USB port, and you just plug it in. It's I guess USB, what that is, and charge it for a couple hours. I'm not sure how long, but yeah. So, oh yeah. Alright, what I'm gonna start doing at the end of one of my videos is showing an album I got recently. It's the Beatles, Abbey Road. I got it at Penny's when they were having a sale. It was made in Germany. Let me show you that. Really nice. Is that in it? There's a little sleeve. It's pretty nice. Yeah, like my turntable isn't hooked up right at the moment. Trying to move my desk down upstairs in the office, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I've never really heard the whole thing before. But you say, now Steve, why you? What room are you in? Oh, the room I'm in is a room next door to where my desk is. Not as crowded as in there. Depends what I'm doing. Whether I'll use the room or not for stuff. But anyway, so this light I have, it goes different. That's brightest, lowest. So I guess that's about it. Like and subscribe as always. Helps me out. I'm a new YouTuber. Just getting my feet wet in this whole genre of stuff. So anyway, have a good one, guys. See you whenever. Hey guys, Steve. Doing some barbecue and some ribs. Yep, just one of those things. How's it going, guys? Steve. Doing some barbecuing. Looks pretty good. Later. Bye. Looks like the earth's about done. Feeling good now. Good stuff.